Hi, welcome back to Insight 2014. We're here on the show floor, Insight Central. I'm Richie Jennings, and this is Alex Wallner.
Hello.
Alex, hi.
Hi.
So, Alex, you're from NetApp. Tell us a little bit about what you do and what you're responsible for.
I'm responsible for Central EMEA, which includes Germany, Austria, Switzerland, and Russia, and all the business we do in these countries.
Oh, awesome. So Russia must be some interesting business challenges around there.
Yeah. Russia for us is a big market, a big growth opportunity, not always easy at the moment with the sanctions and all the political stuff going on. But our team is doing great and handling that perfectly, and I'm very satisfied with the business we do there in the moment.
Terrific. So here we are, Insight 2014. Give us some flavor of the kind of customer conversations that you're having here at the show.
Yeah. It's a new experience for us having customers here. It's for the first time that we have customers at Insight, and we have different flavors of customers here. We have admin people, we have management people here, so it's different discussions on the level we have, but it's good to see how interested the customers are in our technology and how we want to position ourselves around the business value we create with our technology. So very good discussions.
Very good. So what sort of trends and key topics are coming out of those discussions, would you say?
I think basically the message of our customers is that they have to do more and more IT with less resources to higher SLAs. So the willingness to automate, to orchestrate, to have private cloud environments that run with less resources, and also the integration of cloud and the freedom of choice to source or create services wherever and whenever you want is one of the major topics we are facing here. So as you might have heard, our partnership with Amazon Web Services created a lot of attention and an interest, but it's basically based on the freedom of choice that the customers want to have.
That is interesting, and from my perspective, having talked to people not only here but also NetApp Insight in Vegas a couple of weeks ago, it's fascinating to see the same themes coming out from wherever you are, whether you're in Western Europe, Eastern Europe, Central Europe, or North America. And I often, and on Forbes, we often summarize it as the CIO challenge is do more with less and faster, right? So what's next, I suppose, is my other question. That's what's top of people's minds right now, but what's going to be top of people's minds in a year or 5 years' time?
I think hybrid clouds is the things that we are talking about today. I think basically it will be executed in the next 3 to 5 years. So you will see processes getting more and more mature, and the customers, the willingness and the ability to create or to integrate external services into the own data center as an additional part of services will mature in the next 3 to 5 years. So I think we will deal with that topic in the next months, probably in architecturing and helping the customers there. I think this will be a major thing. Also bringing the IT closer to the business will be a major topic in the next 3 to 5 years, because freeing up resources, why do customers want to do that? They want to free up resources to bring the IT closer to the business, and there's huge demand from the business to bring IT closer to them. I think there was a Gartner thing that CEOs mentioned that the major topic for the next year is IT. So it really shows how important IT is for the customers.
Again, another common theme that we see coming up again and again and again, and we talk about it on Forbes, is the CIO's job increasingly is less about the business of IT and more about the business of the business. Yeah. And getting a seat at the C-level table is something that CIOs have to do in order to stay relevant. Yeah. So it's great to hear that you're validating that as well. That's what you're hearing. Now, as you said, quite rightly, this is the first year that Insight has, shall we say, admitted customers. Traditionally, always a partner event, but partnerships is always a common theme. Whether it's partnerships between NetApp and partners or between NetApp and customers, and I'm hearing from a lot of customers and partners that it's great to work with NetApp. Now, I mean, I say to them, you're not contractually obliged to say nice things about NetApp while you're, talking to me, but they really do seem to believe that, and they really do seem to think that NetApp lives its culture of openness and honesty. And I wonder if that's a thought that resonates with you.
It resonates perfectly with me, and I think not every company could really open up an event for partners and customers. I think if you are really honest to both sides, play open with both sides, you can really bring these two pairs together. And I think most of the customers I talk to at this event really think that's beneficial, because they like to hear from us what's coming, what is the technology, but they also like the exchange and the networking with partners who see the business with NetApp from the other side. And it's not just the reselling partners, it's also the alliance partners that are here that really see the working with NetApp from a different angle and give the customers a new perspective on everything. So I think it's, in our culture, purely beneficial for everybody.
Listen, that's golden. I love everything you said. That was really great and very useful stuff. Alex, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you very much.
I'm really glad we could grab you and have these few words. He's been Alex Wallner from NetApp. I've been Richie Jennings. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.